Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can fix the error code 524 in your Roblox. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you have to do here is that make sure that your account is at least 30 days old. So in the case if you're facing this error, that might probably you are a new user and that's why you are getting this error. Now usually in most of the cases the problem will be solved because all the new users will get this error on some of the games. So you just have to avoid those specific servers on which you are getting this error. Other than that, everything is good. Alright, so moving towards next. If you're not a new user and you still get this error, then you're gonna check if the servers are down or not due to Roblox server, like they are not working properly and that causes this error. So all you need to do, you have to go to status.roblox.com, and over here this website displays you all the servers which are working properly or not. So if you found this operational tag on the servers, it means all the servers are working good. Otherwise, if it's showing you a red option, so that means that the servers are not working properly, and don't worry, it will be fixed within few hours, so you have to wait for that. So now, if the servers are working properly and still you have this error, then in the end, you have to clear the cookies of your browser, and to do that, you're gonna go and click on these three vertical dots in the top right, and you're gonna move to settings. And in settings, you're gonna go to privacy and security. Over here, scroll down, and here you will find under privacy and security, you will find cookies and other sites data. And under here, you will find you have to click on see all site data and permissions. Over here, you just have to search for Roblox and delete all the files that are related with the Roblox. So once you have done with that, you're gonna restart your PC and retry the process, and this time most probably you will not get any kind of error. So this is all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.